Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 12C and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then we have to scroll until we will find the lock screen. Now, as you can see on the very first position, we've got the sleep option, so let's tap, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, which are quite short options to choose from, or 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. What's more, we've got the option never, which simply means that your device will never black out. So currently we've got the 1 minute option applied. As you can see, this option is highlighted in this bluish color and marked. What's more, it is notified right here. So in order to change it, we have to simply tap on the option we'd like to use. So I'll pick 10 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Xiaomi Redmi 12C. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.